Good morning, students of class 3. Welcome to online classes after a long time, isn't it? I hope you all are fine. Today we will do Tiptoe Night, okay? The poem in your English literature book, Tiptoe Night. Open to this poem and we will start this poem today, alright? So, Tiptoe Night by John Drinkwater. Everyone open your English literature books to this poem, alright? Today's date is the 1st. John Drinkwater was a poet and a writer of plays. This poem describes the coming of night. Okay. So this poem describes the coming of night. The speaker gives night a name. Okay. The speaker, that is the poet. Okay. He gives night a name and describes it like a person. What does he describe as a person? He describes the night as a person who is softly tiptoeing in. Okay. So he describes night as a person who softly is tiptoeing in. Okay. Let us come to the poem. Tiptoe Night by John Drinkwater. Tiptoe Night comes down the lane, all alone without a word, taking for his own again every little flower and bird. Okay, so what is the meaning of tiptoe? Tiptoe means on your toes. Okay, walking very quietly on the tip of your toes. Okay, so the night is coming very quietly on its toes, in a very quiet manner down the lane. What is lane? Lane is a narrow street, okay, a narrow street. All alone without a word. So all alone it is coming, without a word, quietly, all alone it is coming. Taking for his own again, okay. Every little flower and bird, okay. Taking for his own again every little flower and bird, okay. Not a footfall, not a sigh. What is the meaning of footfall? Footfall meaning like footsteps. The sound of each step when you walk. So no sound of the footsteps is coming. Very quiet. And not a sigh, not a sigh, not a sound, not a single footstep can be heard. Quietly it is coming. Not a ripple of the air. Okay, not a ripple of the air. Ripple meaning a small wave. So no wave of the air. Okay, no wave of the air. It is absolutely quiet. Not a sound to reckon by. There is no sound. Okay, reckon by meaning to like think or imagine. No sound can be imagined. No sound can be thought about. It is very quiet. Yet I know that he is there. Okay, but the speaker is saying, but I know that he is there. Okay, he is who? The tiptoe night. Okay, coming quietly. And I count them as I wait, step by tiptoe, step until. Okay, so the speaker is saying, I count them as I wait, step by tiptoe, step until, okay, the tiptoe night, that is the night that is coming in. The speaker is talking about the night that is coming in. Hush, he is at the garden gate. Okay, now the night is coming slowly, where? To the garden gate. Okay, hush, it is at the garden gate. Hush, he is at my windowsill. So slowly it is coming closer and closer. Okay, first it is at the garden gate and then it is at the windowsill. What? The tiptoe night. Understood? So this is the poem that we studied today. I hope it is clear to you. Alright, what is the meaning of hush, students? Hush means a way of saying be quiet. Okay, quiet, hush, be quiet. So hush, it is at the garden gate and hush, it is at the windowsill. Alright. So I hope the poem is clear to you. This is the poem. Okay, this is the entire poem. I hope this poem is clear to you. You will learn this poem very nicely and you will write this poem in your English literature copy. Okay. Now let us come to the word meanings for today. Some difficult word meanings are given to you. You will write them in your English literature copy. You will learn the word meanings well. Tiptoe meaning on your toes, walking quietly on the tip of your toes. Lane meaning a narrow street. Okay. Footfall meaning footsteps that sound of each step when you walk. Footsteps or the sound of each step when you walk. Sigh is a long deep breath that can be heard. Okay. Sigh is a long deep breath that can be heard. Ripple, a small wave. Reckon by, think, imagine. Hush, a way of saying be quiet. Alright? I hope this all is clear to you. You will write this in your English literature copy. Okay, students? Okay, thank you, students. That's all for today. I hope the poem is clear to you. You will learn it nicely and write it in your English literature copy. You will learn the word meanings also nicely and write it in your English literature copy. Thank you, students, and God bless you.